So, what's it like to find a second home thousands of miles from your first? Let's check out the Pennington School.
Just listen to this student, all the way from Beijing. For them, this school became home.
And it's not just a home, it's a family. That's the feeling you get here.
It all starts with a community that's built to feel safe, welcoming, and totally supportive.
And you can see it in the numbers. Small classes mean you're not just a face in the crowd.
You get the best of both worlds. Big city fun is just an hour away, but you're in New Jersey's safest town.
A great community is one thing, right? But the academics, well, they're seriously impressive.
Niche gives the school a straight A+. It really doesn't get much better than that.
And look where the grads go. We're talking Princeton, UPenn, Caltech, the absolute best.
Plus, Pennington is ranked the #4 best private high school in the entire state, a true powerhouse.
So that's the deal. A global family, amazing academics, and a place for you to grow.
Want to see for yourself? Just scroll right down this page to keep exploring.